everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you negotiable instruments. Justice Will defines a negotiable instrument as that property which is acquired by anyone who takes it bona fide and for value notwithstanding any defect of title in the person from whom he took it. Bona fide means without any intention to deceive. Negotiable means transfer by delivery. Instrument means a written document by which a right is created in favor of some person. Negotiable instrument means a document transferable instrument. Negotiation can be done by the legal holder of the instrument only. It can be done for some consideration. A negotiable instrument gives a person a good title who takes it bona fide and for value irrespective of previous defects of title. The owner of negotiable instrument has two rights. Right to have legal possession of the instrument, right to receive the payment of the instrument. Examples: Bill of exchange. Section 5 of Negotiable instrument defines a bill of exchange as an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. Promissory note. Section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act defines a promissory note is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. Checks. Section 6 of Negotiable Instrument Act defines a check as a bill of exchange drawn on a specific banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand, and it contains an electronic image of check and a check in electronic form. This is a format of bill of exchange. Bill of exchange, as I explained you, is a negotiable instrument. It should be in writing. Bill of exchange is a promise to pay. Bill of exchange is not a promise to pay but an order whereby the drawer orders the drawee to pay a certain sum of money. It must be signed by the drawer. The drawer who draws the bill must sign it, and the bill should be accepted by the drawee in writing with the word accepted and then signing it. It would indicate that the drawee accepts and agrees to pay the amount on the date of maturity. This is a format of promissory note. Promissory note is a negotiable instrument. It is in writing. It is an undertaking. It is a promise to pay. It is unconditional undertaking. It must be signed by the maker and is payable to order or bearer. This is a format of a check. Check is a negotiable instrument. It should be in writing. It is an unconditional order to pay a certain sum of money. Check may be payable to order or to bearer. Check is always payable on demand. Check is always drawn on a specific banker. Characteristics of negotiable instrument. Negotiable instrument should be in writing. That is, every negotiable instrument has to be in writing. The writing may be ink. An oral promise to pay a sum of money to the other person cannot be legally challenged. The negotiable instrument is a legal document which entitles a holder of instrument to a sum of money. The sum of money is clearly stated on every instrument. Every holder of negotiable instrument has a legal right to claim the sum so stated on the instrument from the person who take this instrument to the holder. Consideration stated must be to pay a certain sum of money. The ownership in negotiable instrument is freely transferable from one person to another. In case instrument is a bearer instrument, the ownership is transferred as soon as it is handed over by the whole transferor to the transferee. In case of order instrument, the property is transferred by endorsement and delivery. Now here endorsement is made by the person who is the holder of negotiable instrument and wants to transfer his right to another person. The person puts his signature on the back of the instrument or an attached sheet of paper to endorse the instrument to endorsee. A person who takes instrument bona fide and for value gets a good title even if the title of transferor was defective. Bona fide means good faith. If the person who takes the instrument in good faith and for consideration, then the person gets good title. A journal law that no one can give better title than that of his own does not apply in the case of negotiable instrument if a person takes ownership of title even in good faith and for consideration. Right to sue. Negotiable instrument in case is dishonored, then the transferee of negotiable instrument has a right to sue in his own name for the recovery of the amount. The owner is holder or holder in due course can sue the liable party in his own name to recover the due amount in case of dishonor of instrument. There's few presumptions, certain presumptions which includes consideration. Every negotiable instrument is presumed to have been made, drawn, accepted, endorsed, negotiated, or transferred for consideration. The instrument is presumed to be made or drawn on the date appears on it unless it is proved. Time of acceptance. In case the acceptance of bill of exchange is not dated, then it is presumed to be accepted within reasonable time before its maturity unless contrary proved. Order of endorsement. The endorsement is promised to have been made in the order as appears on the instrument unless contrary proved. Time of transfer. Every transfer of a negotiable instrument is presumed to have been made before its maturity unless contrary proved. Stamp. Unless contrary proved, in case the instrument is lost or destroyed, it is presumed to be duly stamped. Holder in due course. Unless contrary proved, every holder is presumed to be holder in due course who has obtained the possession of the instrument for value and in good faith. Proof of protest. In case instrument is dishonored, the court shall on the proof of protest presume the fact of dishonor until and unless such fact is disproved. Thank you. I hope you like the content. Thank you very much.